Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find Help Center on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the Help Center option under the Contact Us. Tap that, and in this site you can find different questions, and if you click to, for example, are my images stored in the app option, you can find the info and the answer, and you can check that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.